we're going to have a look now at how to find the volume of the cuboid. And it's quite straightforward. So let's have a look at this first one that's split up into little cubes. So we've got like the length and the breadth of the cube. If you imagine the base of the cube, it's got 3 cubes along and 2 cubes going back to front. Okay, so the base of that is going to have 3 times 2 cubes, 6 cubes in the base. Okay, but then it's got 2 layers. The height's made up of two cubes. So you need to double that. And we can write that as a formula. That you do the length times the breadth to work out how many cubes are on the base. And then you need to multiply that by how many layers going up of cubes you've got. So here we've got 3 times 2 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. Times it by 2 is 12 cubes altogether. And this is centimetres cubed. It's the volume of a 3-dimensional space. It's how much 3-dimensional space it takes up. We need a 3-dimensional unit, centimetres cubed. Okay? And it doesn't have to be split into a whole number of cubes. It doesn't matter. Okay? So for this second one, it's the same formula, L times B times H. You might even just see that as V equals LBH. Remember in algebra, if there's no symbol between 2 letters, it means you're multiplying them. Okay? So for this one, we're going to have 11.4 times 4 times 1.5. Okay, now you might have a calculator to do this, but you might not. So I'm going to do 4 times 1.5, 4 times 1.5. Okay, I'm going to do that first and then I'll multiply by 11.4. So I'm maybe going to do this without doing the chimney sum. Okay, so I've got 4 lots of 1.5. So it's like I've got 1 lot of 4. I don't know why I drew a line there. Okay, and I've got a half a lot of 4, 0.5 lots of 4. Okay, 1 lot of 4 is 4, half a lot of 4 is 2. Altogether I've got 6. So I've got 11.4 times 6. Why is that moving around? Who knows? Okay, so let me just move that. It's not going to let me. Right, I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to do a chimney sum now for 11.4 times by 6. Okay, 4 times 6 is 24. I need to make sure I'm putting my decimal point in there. 1 times 6 is 6. Add on the 2, that's 8. And 1 times 6 is 6. So I've got 68.4 here. And it's meters cubed. Whatever that length is, you make that cubed to measure volume. Okay.